Stop scrolling. Like and subscribe right now. Don't wait until the end. If you work with hair, skin, or nails for a living, you should also be earning money on camera. We spend our time building other people's brands, while YouTube is paying creators to share the same work we already do every day. It's time for us to earn from our own content. Here's how to start. Post short clips that teach one clear tip. Write titles that sound like the questions your clients often ask. Keep each video under 1 minute, no filler. And reply to every comment as if the viewer were sitting in your chair. Barbers, braiders, lash technicians, nail technicians, makeup artists, and yes, shampoo assistants, blow dryers, colorists, estheticians, massage therapists, wax specialists, locticians, and skincare professionals. This is your opportunity. The algorithm doesn't reward degrees. It rewards consistency. So post, tag your work, and start earning from your craft. Don't get canceled, Mario.